What's up, guys? So this is John Patrick Albajado, student of Doctor of Veterinary Medicine in University of Eastern Philippines. And in this vlog, we're gonna talk about the basketball. We're gonna teach you and demo some of the basic skills in basketball and even the hand signals of basketball. But before that, one should know the history of basketball. That is why I'm gonna teach you, or I'm gonna share to you the history of basketball that I know. Just the basic. The invention of basketball began in Springfield, Massachusetts on 1891 by a Canadian physical education instructor, Dr. James A. Naismith. And it was first played on December 21, 1891, using only a peach basket that serves as a ring and a soccer ball that serves as a ball in that game. The color of the ball before was brown, and later on, it was turned into an orange one, introduced by Tony Eatonkill. And the official ball that we used in an official game today has a radius of 19.3 centimeters and has a circumference of 76 centimeters, and it should weigh 600 to 650 grams. On January 1, 1892, the basketball for women was introduced by the Cinda Berenson Abbott Smith College, University of California. And on January 15, 1892, the 13 rules of basketball was released. And in the same year, January 20, the first official game of basketball was recorded in YMCA in Albany, New York. And on June 18, 1932, the Federación Internacional de Basketball Amateur, or the FIBA, was formed. It is an international regulating body of basketball, and it consists of 8 nations, namely Czechoslovakia, Argentina, Greece, Italy, Latvia, Portugal, Romania, and Switzerland. And on August 7, 1936, the basketball became an official game in Olympic Games. And then, the first game in the Philippines was recorded on April 9, 1975. And up to now, basketball is considered as an international and national sport here in the Philippines. So in this part, I'm gonna teach you, or I'm gonna have a demo about one of the basic skills in basketball, which is the dribbling. So dribbling is an act or an instance or a manner of moving the ball forward by tapping and bouncing it. Since we are in a GCQ condition right now due to COVID-19 pandemic, I'm going to demonstrate one of the basic skills in basketball, which is the dribbling skill here in our home. So, if you were going to use your right hand in dribbling the ball, you need to be in a position like this. And your left hand must be in a position like this. And the bouncing of the ball must be outside of your right foot, not in between of your legs, like this. Okay, tip in dribbling the ball. You don't need to simultaneously use your both hands in dribbling the ball like this, because the referee will call you as double dribble. And you should be using only your right hand or your left hand, not concurrent or not at the same time. I want you also to show techniques in dribbling the ball. one is the between the legs dribbling, like this. Okay. Another one is what we call behind the back dribbling technique. Like that. And another thing is what we call the crossover, like this. And the so-called inside out. So, as if you were moving to the left or faking your movement to the left, but going to the right. Like that. And that is for dribbling techniques. Thanks for watching, guys. So please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit the notification bell so that you can be updated and notified when I upload videos. And that's for today. Bye!